So hey guys, this is my second video. I just wanted to make a quick news on the last tech news there is. So first of all, the NPM packages. There is a deal with two NPM packages, which one of them was removed, which steal your home password on Windows. Yeah, so if you guys see that I'm using Mac OS, they didn't steal my password. Anyway, these NPM packages are stealing a password using the Windows subsystem. You can read more about this article, but basically this is the two articles, okay, which have some like 200 and 100 downloads by now, and it is a great deal, like, and it's begged the question, what will happen with the next packages uploaded to npm? How would Microsoft check them, if they will check them? So now when you create your app, a mobile app on iOS or Android, they basically need to check the app that doesn't leak any password or something like that, or using any vulnerable data that you don't want to share. This is why Apple transparency policy was created. So this is the packages. Look, you can look for them. Even I can look for one of them right now. npm. Yeah. So this package was already removed, but 2 weeks ago people already downloaded it and it was used. So whenever you're downloading the package from npm, check the amount of downloads, and when you see also the amount of downloads, also check the GitHub for this package to see if it have a lot of stars. It's usually a great indicate to see if a package is good or not good. So let's see if we are looking at Axios, or one of the more one of the most famous one. Okay, we can look at the Axios, we can look at GitHub, see that Axios have 86,000 stars and almost 8.4 thousand forks. So it's a probably good package. Okay, don't be fooled by the documentation. Even if the documentation is good, it doesn't mean that the library is good. Okay, please check it. So this is about npm. So now about Google. So Google is releasing the new Wear OS. Okay, they basically mean, look, next year on the late 22 we will release a new smartwatch. The smartwatch will have longer battery life, faster performance, everything. If you're using Android, you will get the kind of seamless interactivity between your apps as you get in iPhone already. So you will get this. They say basically for Samsung that supposed to launch their next smartwatch this year, like late this year, in like 2-3 months. So they basically say, look, we are going to launch something better. They also talk about some vulnerabilities, issues. You can read all of this in this article. And now about some Facebook news. Who doesn't like Facebook? Me, yay. So Facebook AI introduced few short NAS. NAS is basically a short version for natural architecture search. So basically, they had a problem. Okay, they have a really great machine learning models. They can do a lot of stuff, basically creating or designing stuff, utilizing, but these machine learning models utilizing a lot of GPU. Okay, and taking a lot of computer power. So they usually using a shorthand for this algorithm The shortened mean that they will distribute the workload into many nodes, okay, and will use the calculate sum, kind of this. But the problem with this approach was that the results were less accurate, okay. Actually, I didn't understand why it was less accurate, but it was less accurate. So basically, they kind of combined the two approaches and using a more precise calculation when they're using a lot of computers for a low price. So meaning in the short future, in the near future, you will see some Facebook option you can use to develop and test your machine learning models with a lot of data, and it probably will cost money. So Facebook is going to another industry, which is the AI and maybe cloud service kind of. So yeah, I think you can declare it as a cloud service or software service, I don't know. Okay, now a bit more about security. Xloader malware infects Macs now, collect keystrokes, screenshot, and more. So basically, there is these security attacks, the Xloader malware, that was on Windows for like forever, and now is also attacking Mac. Basically, how you get infected by this is you get some kind of link, or you're downloading some kind of file, usually a office file like Word or Excel or something like that. You are downloading it, and inside the file they have some malicious code that runs on your operating system and just record every keystroke, everything you do, passwords, credit cards, everything. So be sure. They also have an explanation on how to check if you already have one. Okay, so look at this article. I highly encourage. And I think that's it for this video.